Na kabinta ki khubor baman kasni pet but subscribe ya u Antor News. Blay phi baro kinigilong ki khubor bamda kasni. Kasorgar MDA po kajingelam umentri rangba u konrad ki sangma kala Shim shibun ki rai ki badon kam ha kajingelang ka Kabinet menta kasni. Usembut menteri rangba ka jilau badai ru unong ran jong ka Kabinet upol lingdo. Ula pentip hakinong to khubor ba ka jingelang menta kasni ka kenthop ya ka jingpiang bar ka jingekran halor ka kaiphod jong ka expert committee bapen ya ka reservation policy jong ka jilla. Badru banwan ra bun tli kibil but ordinance thymmai hagdor bar sunrai autumn session jong ka yingdor bar thawan Meghalaya. Shapang ka reservation policy upoling do uloong baga Kabinet Shim ka kaiphod kabla penkret ka expert committee hapo ka jingelam jong u justice retired mulchan garj kum u chairman kani ka kaiphod kabla long hadu phau hajar sla kabla poisha ka sarkar ho ubnai jiliu ar hajar arpson bakadon shibun ki jing ai jingmot kan thopru ka jingpin kan mahawan pedru iki benta kum ka jinglong jingim bangi im ha ka jingedei baka yo ka kon economic factors Nrai ka sarkar kam day ban slem, nrai ru kam day ban mare ban shimrai. Nama ka jing ai jing mot jongani ka kaiphod ka don ka jing kta ka ba kraw bat ru ki jing panshai ki ba he bha. Ka Kabinet kan sa yakran bnya bat hadin kata kan sa Shim ya ka rai ka ba perkhat bha ong upol lingdo. Ula ban rab ki jing ai jing mot ka committee ki don ki ba kerpat ban ne bet ko malong menta status quo. Henry ki don ru ki ba thymmai kum tangi ha ban pet ya baro shikli. Bat ban bishar baru iki benta biya day baka an bat ka imlang salang. Chief Secretary ula deb ai jing penshai pat ba halor gani ka kaipon ha gajing yalang menta ka sngi re dekot ka Kabinet kila dang don kam yiki wei par ki jing penshai shusho. Hadin bala deb yiki jing bishar nya ka sarkar kan sawan ra ka rai sha ka ying dorbar. Ka bill bat ordinance ki bala menjur da ka Kabinet kilong ka Meghalaya Heritage Act 2012 amendment ka Language Act 2005 but 2017, Universities Regulation of Establishment and Maintenance of Standards Amendment Ordinance 2025. Meghalaya Private Colleges Promotion and Regulation Bill 2025, Meghalaya Private Medical Institutions Regulation of Admissions, Fixation of Fees and Reservation Bill 2025. National Law University of Meghalaya Amendment Bill 2025, Shops and Establishment Act 2003 Amendment, Factories Act 1948 Amendment, Traditional Medicine Amendment Bill 2025, Meghalaya Town and Country Planning Act Amendment 2025. Kini baru akibal laong bakin sa sya wanrah hayung dorbar banyakren, but yo jingmen jur hapo kani ka dorbar sundrai.
It met this morning at 9 a.m. to take up various formal items. These include the consideration of the report of the expert committee on the state reservation policy, amendment of the Meghalaya Heritage Act 2012, Meghalaya State Language Act 2005, Meghalaya Goods and Services Tax Act 2017, amendment to regularize the Meghalaya Private Universities Regulation of Establishment and Maintenance of Standard Amendment Ordinance 2025. We also took up Meghalaya Private Colleges Promotion and Regulation Bill 2025, Meghalaya Private Medical Institutions including institutes and private university Regulation of Admission, Fixation of Fees and Reservation Bill 2025, the National Law University of Meghalaya Amendment Bill 2025, Meghalaya Decriminalization Amendment and Repealing of Provisions Bill 2025, Amendment of the Meghalaya Shops and Establishments Act 2003, Amendment of the Factories Act 1948, the Meghalaya Homeopathic Medicine Amendment Bill 2025, and also the Meghalaya Town and Country Planning Act Amendment Bill 2025. All these bills, with the approval of the Cabinet this morning, have now been introduced in the House and will be taken up for discussion and approval by the House within the current session. The Cabinet was briefed about the report of the expert committee on the state reservation policy. As you will recall, the terms of reference of the committee was to study the current reservation policy and recommend modifications if necessary, to undertake wide-ranging consultations with all stakeholders and visit various locations of the state to solicit the views of all stakeholders. And this committee was headed by retired Justice Mool Chan Mark as chairman, and also had 4 other members who were part of this expert committee. The Cabinet this morning took cognizance of the report, the various recommendations, and has decided to immediately study the report. It's a voluminous, bulky report running into several thousands of pages. So we will take time to study the various recommendations, and we should be able to, after due diligence, then come up with a definite decision.
Hello Meghalaya turns 1!
1 year ago, a small idea sparked a dream which materialized in the form of a screen. An OTT platform to tell stories from the heart of Meghalaya to the world. With over 3.8 lakh downloads and over 1.1 crore views. From indie creators to first-time filmmakers, Hello Meghalaya gave voices a home, a stage and a spotlight. And you, the viewers, made it all possible. 1 year down, 1,000 stories to go. Here's to more laughter, more culture, more Meghalaya.
We love Hello Meghalaya!